What's up, YouTube? So Bitcoin is pumping. Is this the halving pump that we've all been waiting for? I think so. Stick around and I'll tell you why. Alright guys, so Bitcoin is moving very nicely today. It's goddamn, we just have to zoom out and we have to look at the weekly here. This is going to be a quick update for you guys looking at the weekly for Bitcoin. I think it's just beautiful. It's just incredibly beautiful. It's the eighth week in a row with green candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. I mean, people are waiting for a halving pump, and what are you waiting for? It's pumped almost 150% in a financial crisis. Wake up, people. This is the pump you guys have been waiting for, right? Do I think it will continue? Yeah, I think it will continue 100%. I think we are going to touch 10K in the next days, pre-halving, right? And, you know, the actual halving of Bitcoin might be a seldom news event. We don't know. Like, it hasn't happened before in this big of a way, right? Bitcoin hasn't been, you know, this big and this popular with this amount of people using it and trading it, and it's just a whole new thing, right? We don't really know how the halving will impact the price of Bitcoin. Me personally, how am I going to approach this? Well, I'm going to obviously I'm gonna sell a bit on my Bitcoin up here, and I'm not looking to have a very big bag of Bitcoin when the halving actually occurs, because you never know. It might be a very volatile thing that's going to happen, right? So it's like, you gotta be careful, right? You gotta be careful. You gotta protect your capital, and like, you never know what will happen. I mean, Bitcoin can drop like 50% on the same day, so you gotta protect your capital. I'm not gonna be heavy in Bitcoin. I'm a trader. I'm looking to trade what I'm seeing. I'm not interested in having, you know, huge positions when we're getting very big news events. And Bitcoin halving, whatever the fuck you say. I'm English is obviously not my main language, so halving Bitcoin. I like having Bitcoin. Let's have Bitcoin. Where were I? All right. So, do I think we will move upwards? Yes, but there's a very crucial level that needs to break before we hit that magical 10K level. And I think the 10.5K is way more magical, because that's where you have the weekly high time frame resistance, right? So that's really the area that you need to take out, right? So 10.5K, that's the area you need to take out for, you know, the weekly trend to be bullish, right? And if that happens pre-halving, that would be insanely bullish, right? Insanely bullish. If we can break this level, the between 10.2 to 10.5, if we can break this level and establish a support above, or establish this area as support, basically turn this red one into green, this red box into a green box, that would be extremely bullish, because that means we are heading into a weekly uptrend. Guys, like, I don't have to tell you why a weekly uptrend is important, because all you have to do is zoom out. Obviously, the weekly trend dictates very strongly Bitcoin's movements, right? So if we break the weekly downtrend, and we might, you know, see a start of a new weekly uptrend for Bitcoin with this whole pump here, and with the halving coming up, I can't even describe how insanely bullish that would be. Now, with that said, could we dump here? Absolutely, we could dump. What we're seeing right now, though, is we might actually see a move out of this range that we're trading in, right? Look at the daily here. Look at the range I got drawn out. This is range EQ, basically the middle, range low and range high here. Up here at range high, you have this high time frame resistance, this red box. If we break this area, we are most likely seeing a move up to at least 10K, right? So break this area and we are going to see 10K. Absolutely, I think we will. Very exciting times to be a crypto trader, and especially if you're a Bitcoin hodler, congratulations. This is crazy. This is beautiful price action. But I mean, I'm getting euphoric, so you gotta stay calm and you gotta reason with yourself. When you get euphoric, what happens when people get euphoric? Well, you usually see a pretty crazy dump, right? So be careful, guys, protect the capital, but I mean, enjoy the profits because Bitcoin pumped 150% in a financial crisis, which is in of itself pretty fucking insane. Even if we dump now, that's gonna be something for the history books, right? All right, guys. So just a quick update on Bitcoin. I'm gonna try to release more of these videos where I take just give you guys like every other day, just quick 5 to 10 minute videos on what I'm seeing on Bitcoin. And to sum it up, break range high, which is around, let's say 9.4. So break 9,400 and we'll see a move up to 10K. Break range low, which is around 8.5. So break 8,500 to the downside and we'll see a move back down to 8K, which is the breakout point of this breakout right here. Insane. Beautiful stuff. All right, guys, take care. See you next time.